So hi, my name is Akanksha and I've been one of the students of Colorado Academy for the digital marketing program. Um, basically, the interest of digital marketing was there from the very beginning, but I was not getting the right kind of guidance on how to proceed forward with this change of career, I would say. So what happened was I attended one of the classes of Santej, not classes, it was more of a webinar, and I got a brief idea of what they were doing, how they were doing, and then I proceeded with buying their plan for 299. So after buying that plan, I realized there's so many things more which we can do with digital marketing, and it's just not limited to what I knew. So I decided to join their master's program for advanced diploma master's program for digital marketing. So it's been great actually. Every weekend we have been occupied with classes, uh, and every weekend we have been learning something new. Um, Initially, yeah, there were challenges, but once we had the feedback given to them, they improved a lot. So that was really good that at least they listened to the feedback, and not everybody, has this, can go on the same pace basically. So the LMS system is excellent, I would say. Everything is recorded, everything is kept there. We can go back for further referencing, and the telephonic support or the team support, as and when required, was there. um, we have to take in mind in consideration that all of us during lockdown were considerably free compared to what we are normally, with regular jobs or if you're at home. So we kind of started up right from building the WordPress website, and now we are near about completion of the course. I think there's just one more. So we got a lot of tips, what and tricks of what the industry is doing right now, how a normal digital marketing person who has worked in the industry, what kind of tools they use. So premium tools, so we got a lot of idea, and that kind of really helped me in grabbing my first internship already. And although it's a small company, but it's great because I'm learning a lot and I'm implementing a lot of things which I learned from Kalada's training. So yeah, and Priyanka and Santej obviously had, I mean, kudos to you guys for keeping up such a good work. And Chirag, who was our mentor and who I hope will be in touch with us after the training also. You're excellent. I mean, the way you've answered questions throughout the session, the kind of patience you have, that's great. And I personally want to thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to learn from you guys. And I hope that this learning can continue further also, even though if I'm not with Kalada Academy anymore. Um, what I wanted to do with digital was something which was, I just wanted to change my career from sales, but effectively, I'm still a salesperson, but I have interest towards digital. So I am looking forward to move into digital completely, um, with focus areas of SEO. I liked SEO, doing SEO, so I would prefer doing something on that field, SEO, content writing, um, and probably social media management. That's something which I loved. So thank you guys for the opportunity, and I would really recommend Kalada Academy to people who are looking out for good digital marketing courses at a reasonable rate with excellent support. Thanks so much.